Hey all my viewers and subscribers. In the previous lecture, we have discussed about presentation strategies. In continuation, today we will discuss modulating style and content for presentation. As you see, in the previous lecture, we have discussed that success in presentation depends on proper planning and strategy. So, modulating style and content is also a kind of strategy for getting success in presentation. So, first thing is modulating style and content. Style helps you to present any information in interesting and organized way. It makes you easy for the audience to understand the things easily in presentation. Now you see, adopting a style for a particular presentation is important because style represents the things interesting way. If you are unable to adopt particular style, it can represent the information in boring and dull form, because sometimes the subjects are very critical and very difficult. So you have to, if you have particular style, you know how to represent it in easy form. It makes the things understandable for the audience, and those things which are understandable to the audience are always enjoyable and interesting, because only that thing is interesting which we can understand. If we can understand something, it becomes interesting. Proper outline, plan of attack for presentation as per objective of your presentation is important. Now look, adopting a style means you prepare an outline for your presentations. For example, if you take a particular topic, so how to represent it in an organized way, in a particular style. So this depends on your plan of attack, proper outline regarding a particular topic, which information to put where. This is the style of the presentator. For example, generally you present the things regarding to sell product, service or scheme, to provide information, details on a particular subject, event, incident. Now you see, जनरली आप किसी प्रोडक्ट को बेचने के लिए, सर्विस को बेचने के लिए, किसी स्कीम को बेचने के लिए प्रेजेंटेशन करते हैं, या किसी सब्जेक्ट पर, ऑब्जेक्ट पर, या किसी इवेंट इंसिडेंट पर आप अपनी इंफॉर्मेशंस को, डिटेल्स को बताने के लिए प्रेजेंटेशंस करते हैं. सो कंसिडरिंग योर ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ योर प्रेजेंटेशन, you should adopt and modify your style as per the mood, attitude, taste, interest of the audience, as per possibility and requirement. Now you see, this is the once you can do it, you can make the presentation interesting, even though it is on most serious topic. Now we have discussed an example, outline for a product. For example, you are going to sell a product. You can prepare a particular style by organizing the presentation in this way, that you have to represent this kind of information in this sequence. For example, introduction is the beginning portion of presentation, in which you discuss about your product brand, which kind of respect you have in the market, what kind of company you are, and then मैन्युफैक्चरिंग रिगार्डिंग द प्रोडक्ट, किन किन चीज़ों से मिलकर के यह बना है, किस तरीके के इसमें स्पेशल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, इसकी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग हुई है. एंड अदर एस्पेक्ट इज प्रोडक्ट अपीयरेंस. इफ यू कैन प्रेजेंट मॉडल, प्रोडक्ट अपीयरेंस मीन्स द पीपल वांट टू सी द प्रोडक्ट एज वेल. तो इन दैट केस, वंस यू हैव डिस्कस द प्रोडक्ट अपीयरेंस, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, you can present a model, a picture, or a demo for this. And another aspect is product specifications. What actually is special in the product is, why the people should use the product. Handling, how to handle it. The audience, in this section you have to discuss that how to handle the product. So handling, telling the audience handling the product is very important, because if the audience cannot be able to learn how to handle it, they will not be interested about it. Another aspect is price. You have to tell them what actually the market price of the product is. Another aspect, discounts, services, schemes associated. If you are providing any discount offers, tell them correctly. Any services you are providing along with the product, tell them correctly. Schemes अगर आप दे रहे हैं तो उनको भी सही तरीके से उनकी जो पूरी जो कंडीशंस हैं उनके साथ उनको दीजिए. Another aspect is conclusion. In conclusion, you have to finish the things off swiftly. You have to give your audience indication that you have finished the things off regarding the presentation, and remind them your objective. What is your objective? What is your motive behind? What was your motive behind the presentation? What you want from your audience? So this was about modulating style and content. Another aspect is organizing content. Organizing content is very important topic, and it is generally asked in the AKTU examination. So organizing the content means organizing, if you talk about content in the presentation, there are two things: self and subject matter. You yourself represent yourself, and whatever you say, deliver, so this all comes under the subject matter. So first and foremost thing is how to organize yourself, because people see you before they hear you, before they get information from you. So confident people are important. Organizing the self means dealing with fear, anxiety. Audience fear is common in presentations. Even though you are excellent speaker, still a kind of audience fear will be there. But good speaker knows how to deal with fear and anxiety. Dealing with fear and anxiety requires, if you want to deal with it, you require proper presentation, preparation, and certain relaxation exercises. For example, taking a long breath, moving on the stage, making an eye contact to the audience for the first time. Another aspect is confidence. The people want to see confident presentators. They don't want the speakers who are losing their confidence. Another thing is ease. You have to prepare well for the presentation, and only then you will feel ease while representing the things. And if you stop between the presentation, if you forget something, it makes audience deviated from the topic. Being self, this is very important when you are going to organize yourself. Generally what people do, they try to become something. Bill Gates and other presentators, they try to copy Obama, Narendra Damodar Das Modi. They try to copy another efficient, effective and productive personalities, which is not good. You have to be yourself. The more you become yourself, you are also a unique person, and the people will enjoy you. Humor is the key. Humor is the key means moderate humor is important to connect with the audience, and it also organizes yourself to connect with the audience. But do not forget moderate humor. You should not use uninteresting, irrelevant humor which can deviate the audience from the topic. Audience orientation is must. You should have a close watch over your audience, what your audience is doing. ऑडियंस आपकी क्या कर रही है, किस प्रकार का मूड एटीट्यूड है प्रेजेंटेशन के दौरान, इस पर भी आप क्लोज करें, उसके हिसाब से आप अपनी स्टाइल को भी अडॉप्ट कर सकते हैं. अनदर एस्पेक्ट इज सब्जेक्ट मैटर. ऑर्गेनाइजिंग सब्जेक्ट मैटर इज इंपॉर्टेंट. ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कंटेंट और सब्जेक्ट मैटर बोथ आर सिमिलर एस्पेक्ट. तो divide your content into three parts. Introduction is the beginning in which you have to say what you are going to say in an organized way, systematic way. You have to tell them about the features of the presentation. For example, it is meeting. You have to clearly tell what are the agendas of meeting in a sequence. And further when you come to the main body, say what you have to say in the same sequence which you have mentioned in the introductory part. Here you can adopt several techniques for explaining: illustration technique, problem solution technique, cause and effect technique, and another classification techniques. Several techniques are there to explain the things. Illustration means providing definition and providing examples and illustration to explain something. Problem solution means explaining the problem and suggesting relevant solutions. Cause and effect means providing reasons behind the problem and then discussing the effects. For example, global warming is the topic where you can adopt this technique. Another aspect is conclusion. Conclusion means so many people say that first impression is the last impression, but I always say that last impression is the everlasting impression. The impression which you put on the audience in the last is very important. So when you are in the concluding concluding part of your presentation, do not try to finish the things off in haste. So let them know that you are in the concluding part of the presentation, give an indications and say what you have already said. Say what you have already said, reminding them about the basics of your presentation, key issues of your presentation, key headlines of your meeting discussion, and also tell them what was the objective behind your presentation. So this was about if you adopt this style and if you adopt particular style and modulate the content in particular way, you will certainly get success in the upcoming presentations. Good luck. Thank you.